Bismillah, for people in the Bay Area, we all know him. For people from outside, you might not know him. This is Sayyid Ibrahim. Became very famous for walking to the Masjid from Livermore. If you know where Livermore is, it's a long way from here. So, mashallah, I once gave a talk here at the Masjid because we had parking problem. And I said that every step to the Masjid is sadaqah. You should park your car all the way in the back and let the people who come last to park in the front. So you get the more sadaqah walking to the Masjid. But people want to get the first parking near the entrance. This man was walking to the Masjid and he took a shahada last year, and he just came from a Muslim camp, and he was serious about becoming a seeker of knowledge. Inshallah, Allah will give him opening. He's a sincere, beautiful brother. Maybe you can just share with everybody about how you found out about Islam and the first walk that you did. I'm interested in the first time you walked to the Masjid.
Thank you. Well, alhamdulillah, thank you for the opportunity for letting me speak here.
Sure.
So alhamdulillah, it was not actually 2024, it was 2023. So in about 2 months, it'll be 2 years, alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah.
Yeah. So I used to live in Pleasanton. I used to live in Pleasanton, but then managed to move to Livermore about a few years ago. So I didn't know too much about Islam at first, but alhamdulillah, I had some friends, I had some books. I was curious because I was born Catholic. I was born in Italy originally, and I still have Italian family. So I never really looked too much into religion until maybe I was 11 or 12 or so. That's when I started questioning everything. I started looking at the books. I read the Bible. I was reading the Quran. But the Quran, it's the topic of this event. That's what really stuck out to me. So I started reading it. Alhamdulillah, I managed to finish it. I never had a single doubt after that. To me, it was clear. I had no doubts after that. And in March of 2023, I went to the Livermore Masjid, took my shahada, and after that, I've been going here quite a bit. Thank you.
May Allah bless him, and please make dua for him. He's inshallah one day he'll be a great scholar because he's serious about the deen, and he's learning, and he's sincere. And if a person is walking from Livermore, how long did it take you? 3 hours?
3 hours, yeah. I walked here as well, 3 hours.
Yeah, 3 hours. He walked here. So even tonight?
Yeah, tonight.
Okay, even tonight he walked 3 hours to get here to the majlis. So alhamdulillah, may Allah give us himma like that. It's high himma. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good to see you.
Yeah, to see my son who was watching. Is it okay if I say a few words in
Sure,
Italian?
yeah, go ahead.
Thank you.
He wants to say a few words in Italian, some of his family members are watching.
Ora parlano italiano per tutti i membri della mia famiglia italiana che guarderanno questo più tardi a casa. Sono contento di parlare di nuovo in Pleasanton, e dovreste sapere che qui tutto bene. Spero che godiate il resto del programma. Grazie e buonanotte.
Grazie.
Grazie.